Hey guys! Today I am doing a get ready with me. I'm actually about to walk out the door, heading to a ASAP Rocky concert. What? Wow. Anyways, so if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Before I get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I actually just put on the NYX HYDRATOUCH primer and I'm letting that kind of sit a little bit. I massaged it in really nice. Oh, by the way, I curled my hair, obviously. I was trying to do something a little different than the beach waves that I always do, so I took a curling iron. This is a Marcel. It is like probably 3/4 of an inch, but I actually took it and left it like this, open, and I just took really small sections and like did it like it was a wand, and I just did that all around my head. Now that all my prepping is done, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. I'll be using the ANASTASIA Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. So I was like way too scared of this stuff. Didn't want it to be like crazy looking, so I got caramel, which definitely isn't as dark as my brows, but it actually looks pretty good. Now that I have that on, I'm going to take that foundation. I just put it on the back of my hand. I'm just going to blend that out with my damp beauty blender. I like to bring it over to my ear and down my neck as well. And you're going to want to just keep blending. Just keep blending. Just keep blending. Blending, blending. What do? We blend. So I'm going to contour with the LA Girl Pro Conceal. The color is Beautifully Bronze. Of course, I always contour my nose. A nice little trick for nose contour, you kind of want to actually place your contour more on top of your nose as opposed to like directly on the side. When you put it directly on the side, it actually makes your nose look bigger, and the whole point of contouring our noses is we want to make them look smaller, so you do it more on top, and then that's what creates that smaller look. I'm going to take my Age Rewind in the color Light. I'm going to be placing this on all of the high points of my face that I want to highlight. So I'm going to be putting this right next to my nose contour, right like that. And now I'm going to blend that with my beauty blender. Now I'm taking my DERMABLEND translucent setting powder. I dip my beauty blender in there. I'm only using a little bit because this is just me setting it. I'm not baking yet. If you bake directly on top of wet product, there'll be areas that it will soak up, and so then it will be patchy looking. So you don't want that. So I literally tap off the excess, not too much. I know it seems weird to apply powders with a damp beauty blender, but it actually helps the powders kind of seep into your skin really, really nicely. So now I am going to bake underneath my eyes. I'm just going to be taking more product. I do this to help with brightening and a little bit more like coverage, but mostly I keep it like that so that when I do my eyes, I can just dust away the fallout and the fallout won't seep into my makeup that I've already done. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna be taking the same translucent powder and a powder puff. Now that my whole face is set, I am going to go ahead and bake my cheeks. And now that I look extremely crazy, we're gonna go ahead and do the eyes. So I wanna do a fun eye. I'm thinking kind of like reds. I want it to be simple, but still bright. So I'm actually gonna take a lip liner. This is Smashbox Always Sharp lip liner. It's literally red. And I'm going to just smudge it out close to my lashes as I can get and just bring it up. This does not have to be perfect because we are going to smudge it out. And honestly, this is kind of looking more pink to me, but it really doesn't matter. Pink, red, whatever, because I'm going to be putting shadows over it. This is more so just to have as like a base so that the color can stick to it and it will be really vibrant. So in my Morphe 35O palette, there's not too much reds. I really don't have a palette with a lot of reds. If you guys know of any good palettes, leave in the comment below for people who are going to try this look out. They can purchase that. I'm going to do it with my Morphe 35O palette. Start with my transitions shade, which is actually going to be this right here. And I'm taking this really close to my eyebrow, but not all the way up. And I'm also flicking it into my eyebrow at the front. Okay, with the same brush, I'm going to take a mixture of these two colors right here because I want it to be not as dark as the red I'm going to end up with, but I don't want it to be so orange either. And I'm just taking this and putting it in my crease and a little bit above on the brow bone a little bit. Now I'm going to take this like packing brush and I'm going to put it in this red right here. I'm just patting this all over the lid. And then after I pat it on the lid, I'm kind of dragging it up a little bit, just onto the brow bone slightly. Blending brush, this is what we used for the orange color and the transition shade. So I am literally just blending that out, blending out all the edges. And now I'm gonna dip my finger into this really pretty bronzy color and I'm just gonna swipe that or stick it right in the middle of my eye. So it kind of looks like a sunset. And blend that out as well. This goldy brown is honestly like good for everything. It's so pretty. Now that that's all done, I think I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe away all this baking. I'm gonna put some color on the bottom lash line, taking a small brush like this. I'm gonna start with the transition shade that we used. And then I'm just gonna take that red. I'm skipping the orange step, taking that red. All right, and I really am in love with that sparkly color, so I'm gonna take a pencil brush, spray it with my setting spray, and then dip it into that bronzy color again. And I'm gonna put this directly in the center on the bottom lash line. Now I just want to make my nose contour a little bit sharper. It kind of got lost, so. Now I'm just going to clean up what I just did. And I am also putting some powder contour. Now before I finish this look off with blush and highlight and lashes, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist because I've been using a lot of powder and I really just want those powders to kind of soak in, and I need to give my face a little bit more tackiness so that the blush and the highlight can actually stay on in my skin and not just like fall right off. Go ahead and do some lashes. So this will be fun. I'm actually going to use some lashes I got from Amazon. We'll see how this works out. All right, so if these work out okay, I'll put the link of where I got them. They are humongous, so we're gonna see how this goes. A trick to putting on lashes is you really want the glue to kind of dry a little bit before you try to put it on, so that there's a little bit of tackiness so that it can stick, and then you can adjust it to how you want it. If the glue's completely wet, then it's just going to slide around, and that is why most people have trouble with lashes. So try it when you let the glue sit for just a little bit, just to get a little bit dry. Oh my god. I feel like I look like I have a ferret on my lash. Alright, we're gonna roll with it. I mean, they're honestly not bad. It's just a lot. I'm gonna use my Inklot gel eyeliner. I just put it on the upper waterline. For blush, I'm taking my BH Cosmetics Nude Blush Palette. I'm gonna do probably a mixture of like these and maybe a little bit of that. For my highlight, this is the BECCA Cosmetics Prismatic Amethyst. So it's got like a little purple-y to it. This color looks so cool with the reds. I'm loving it. For lips, I'm going to do something a little bit more of a neutral because obviously I've got a lot going on already. I'm using my KYLIE Cosmetics Dulce K lip liner. I'm going to take my Anastasia liquid lipstick. The color is called Pure Hollywood. I'm going to blend my lashes in with my SMASHBOX mascara. And now I just need to figure out what I'm wearing. And I'll be back to show you guys the completed look. And this is the final look, guys. I am just wearing this army like mesh top and a long sleeve shirt underneath because it is freezing outside. And just some high-waisted black pants. But yeah, so this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And let me know what you guys want to see next. See you next time. Bye.